Alright, so I got the drawer done. I decided not to put a drawer pole on the front of it. Instead, I got a couple holes in the back where I can shove my fingers in and gain access to the drawer. Right up front, I can store about 8 of these smaller boxes, about 6 or 7 of these medium boxes, and then over here I got access to a few little extra drivers, an extra drill bit, and the single pocket hole setup that Kreg carries. Now you could easily make a whole assembly table with this drawer idea and set this on top of it. You can take this to whatever lengths you want. This is going to work out well for me if I go to a job site or whatever. I can just take this with me, has everything I need in it, and I don't have to mess with any of it. Now on the back, I will say that how I plug it in is different from the factory setup. I'm sure that this would void the warranty. This is something that I did on my own, so I'm aware of the voiding the warranty and everything. So that's the risk I'm taking. This just sets up where I can plug in I think they're called IEC connectors, which actually fit all my other tools, and I can just plug that cord right in there, flip the switch, and I got power. So that works out well for me. That way it's all one unit. I don't have any cords to mess with, and it's just compact and nice to use. So that's all I got for you this week. There is going to be a rebate that Kreg is doing. It's a $75 rebate starting on August 15th. And I'll put all the information in the description below for that. So grab yourself a Kreg Foreman. It's a great tool and it's a great product. And Kreg is a great company helping support all us YouTube content creators out there. So thank you, Kreg. And that's all I got for you this week. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.